I'm doing it for my daughter.
Let's move on to the next group of kids, shall we? Now, let's see. Let's see how this room looks. Well, this seems to be the nicest room so far. The wallpaper's pretty. You know, Santa, there's something else. Oh, Saint Nick loves more than a nice, clean, do you see that? I was going to compliment this child on a perfect room! Perfection! Almost reached! Fuck! Now, what are these kids? Not one has a room that seems to be kept nice. Why is it every time that little fishy gets a free load in life, months of free board, food, room, entertainment, friendship, and what do? Right there! In the wall! You know what? Our room's the messiest of them all. Look at that. But don't worry. Maybe Santa will come back. I don't know. But for right now, looks like a comfy bed. Let's see if old Santa. Let's go. Get that low. Well, it's time for old St. Nick. Get some rest. Alright, hopefully it's big enough. You know, I have actually slept in worse snowbanks, guys. You know, there might not be a whole lot of room yet. There we go. I have slept in a lot worse snowbanks. Okay. I've officially slept in better snowbanks. Alright. Santa Claus ain't losing no snowbank. They call me the snowbank. And this kid, damn. You see these pants? My, sir, do you see that?
Ho, 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 mother.
Please,
You are the greatest Santa.
I may be a man of the Christmas night, but
thanks, Sam.
you should not be a lady of the Christmas Eve.
Crew.
On the knees, no less. Okay, let's try this again. Don't lose your props, Santa. Those are important. And let's be smart. Let's not blow besides the crotch wall. Alright. Let's try it again, shall we? Now the key to sleeping hot in a snowbank is you let the shirt down a bit to breathe, and you come up just like this, and cut one out. Let's see.
Let's just get up there, Santa.
Yeah, well, I got this. Well, it's kind of sad, but maybe we should leave the little lady a gift somehow.
Nope.
Nope, perfect.
Get up there, Santa.
Oh, perfect. That's space. Oh, pants. All right, let's give this one last final fat man try, shall we? All right, let's rouse down. Now, Santa can relax a moment. Wipe the sweats off.
Vance, can I borrow you downstairs?
Huh?
Santa, just catch your breath. Just stay in here for a little bit. Don't get off the bed, though.
Sounds good to me.
Santa Claus, the last airsoft bender.
Yes. Yes, indeed. jang, jang, jangling through. Oh boy, it's lovely weather sleeping inside of a snowbank with you. This coat is hot as hell and I don't know what to do. I'll open it up to breathe some and just sweat it out with you. You know, old Santa Claus needs to let Goldstriker know how to make a bed. This is lumpy and rocky. It feels pretty unstable. Like I feel like, kiddos, if me and Mrs. Claus were to, we'd probably break the bed, you know? Two rotund but fun people could really do some work.
Trish, stay strong. I know it smells crazy in there.
Surprisingly enough, I do want to puke.
Santa, please shout out Trish for FISHMAS.
Oof, I broke the bed. Okay, that didn't take long. Well, kiddos, I broke the bed. And that did not take long, but I was still asleep. Just like this. With my head thoroughly against the wood, in pain, but alive. There. Breathe a little better. Here.
Give it up for real.
Oh yeah. I guess name is Rock.
Santa, do you have 70 chips in your pocket?
Do you have insurance for your beds? Because old St. Nick might have just busted this one.
Santa, did you wipe your butt today?
Hi. Don't worry, it's my shorts.
Hi, Fatty, welcome back.
Wait. There we go. Alright. Alright.
Big spoon, big hug there, Chris. This is $500 expensive.
Oh, I know. So,
Probably drape a leg over her.
easily.
Yep.
It's okay. Santa's a friend. He's a friend to everyone. Even you. One of the naughtier kids. You know, if you just cleaned your room up a bit more, you might actually make it to the good list. Santa ain't crushing it now, is he? Oh, well, yeah. Take some of the weight off.
Chris, be careful not accidentally suffocate her in your sleep. Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful, and triumphant. We wish you a Merry Christmas glory to the newborn King in 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸 jubilee. Trish.
Okay.
No, Santa's family.
Let's get to business.
It was the night before Christmas. In all through the house.
Chris, you
Only
can
Jimmy's eggnog
roll
was
towards
stirring
me,
and Trish
Chris,
slept with
safely.
Klaus.
And
Safely roll.
Trish, if you don't speak up, I'm going to assume you're not dead here.
Santa's getting it in.
Okay. Chris, let's have you sit up.
Trish gonna come out of this flat like a
And
cartoon character.
Trish,
They'll have to
you lay on your
replay
back
after.
in your sleep. Sleep roll over onto your back. Chris, get up. And Trish, you're going to sleep
Just
roll
like
onto your
having
back.
Trish, don't worry, it's Brian, but bigger.
And then I'm just gonna pull you so your head doesn't hit that wood thing.
I don't remember Santa ever breaking my bed while cuddling.
All right.
Jealous.
Now, Chris, we need you to get back on. This is called the polar bear move.
Old Saint Nick coming in with the dick. Bed's broken. What's that smell? It's Christmas shit.
So you get on top of her, facing away from her. It's good. All right, here we go. Old Saint Nick, we're gonna go for a sleigh ride here.
Okay. Little Saint Nick, get his backpack up.
There you go.
Okay.
All right. And Trish, you might want to cover your eyes for this next part.
Now you don't want me to hover over the face.
No, not sit on her. I don't want you to sit on her face, Chris. I'm not insane. I want you to sit on her lap, facing away.
Oh, okay.
It's known as reverse cowgirl. Okay.
Santa thought
But
you wanted something
it's
different.
not a sex position. It's just a Santa sleigh ride.
Okay. So, let's see if old Saint Nick can get up here.
And just sit on her thighs so there's no pelvic contact. Okay, we don't want this to be. This is not a sex thing. Just sit on her legs.
Oh, yeah.
But try not to shatter the bone.
All right. Can Santa?
You got it. I trust you.
Smart satin, all right. All right, kiddo. Prepare for Satan's wrath. Whew.
Now don't reverse hyperextend your knees there, Chris. You gotta sit. You gotta scooch back and be on your knees like you're riding a motorcycle. You gotta kneel on the bed, Santa.
Oh, kneel on the bed.
Yeah.
So you want me more?
Santa, put your left knee right here, and then swing your right leg over like you're riding a motorcycle. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
That's what you're looking for. What Santa can deliver. Hopefully I don't kick her in the face.
Kris Kringle, get the fuck up. You are going to make her a crease cripple.
Oh, that.
That's not. Is that doing damage? No. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
If it does damage, tell them to get off. And Santa, ride to the North Pole.
Okay. Oh, crap. Okay, Santa almost put head first. Are you okay? You good?
Yes.
Give me 2 taps if you're good. All right. And I just stripped my pants. Santa might have a wardrobe malfunction, but I'm gonna warn you. Santa's gonna have as much trouble as you are with this.
Santa, that's probably good.
Okay.
All right, Santa, why don't we go to a different room here?
Yeah. Let's see if I can't get off real quick. Here.
Gently.
Try to. You wanna roll over, child? So let's switch your head.
Ride her like a rattlesnake, Santa. Ria the ITTTTTTT Flatty JJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJJ Does the fish tank
okay?
medical insurance cover broken ribs? God bless you, Trish. You are earning my respect. J.